Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we will be drawing Blue from Rainbow Friends. Let's start off with the head shape right around here. Let's start from this top and then go all the way around towards the bottom. And then we're going to split a little bit and continue all the way to this point for the head shape. Let's not connect it right here because we're going to draw in the crown. To draw the crown, we're going to go down and up to connect. And let's draw in 2 lines on either side. Once you're done with those shapes, let's just draw in a W and connect it with these 2 little rectangles to make it look 3D. The head is almost complete. We just need to draw in the face. For the face, we're going to go draw in the outside of the 2 eyes. Let's start off with the one on the right. Draw in a nice sized circle on one side and repeat the same on this side. Maybe a little bit further apart, like so. Once you're done with the 2 outside of the eyes, let's draw in 2 notches and fill in the circle. With the 2 insides done, let's fill them in with black. Like so. Once the eyes are in, let's just draw in the mouth. It's going to be a nice big mouth, like so. And then we just need the tongue, which is going to be almost these 2 little mountain shapes to create the tongue. And that's looking good. Now let's move over to the arms. For the first arm, we're going to have it raised up. From here, we're going to start on the right side of the mouth. Raise up and back down, and on the other side let's draw in the other arm facing down. So curve out and back up. Once you're done with both arms, let's draw in 2 parallel lines for the body, like so, and extend from this point all the way up, down first and up for the legs, and let's repeat on the other side. Once the 2 legs are done, we just need the bottom of the body, like so. Once your drawing of Blue is done, all we need is color real quick. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have suggestions for any other drawings, please leave in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.